Welcome aboard the 37. I'm going to show you some of the design features, cleanliness and simplicity of our vessel. To start, we have a beautifully appointed bow with a teak tow rail. This can be done in either real teak or faux teak, which we're starting to lead towards the faux teak just because of maintenance and longevity, ease of maintenance. Start up in the anchor well. Very simple, hydraulic assisted, gasketed, fully guttered, fully drained. You'll find a safe, secure location for your anchor. You'll also find a fully finished anchor well. You'll see we locate freshwater washdowns throughout the boat. These are located behind finished panel doors, Glendinning auto recoils. Keep it clean, keep it out of the way, no coils or messes floating around your deck. Got electric outlets for your wheels, one on each side. You come up and you take a look. You'll see is there is no liner on this boat. This is your hull. We finished the entire vessel. Up underneath is entirely painted, completely faired. We have no issues with toe kicks. We keep our positioning around our rail very neutral, upright, no awkward positions. You'll find forward we have a giant kill box in this boat. Again, fully gasketed, fully guttered. We use all gem slam latches. We use gem friction hinges. Again, all fully painted, all grip. We finish and fair everywhere in the vessel, up under the gunnels. When we construct the boat, we tie the sole to our stringers. This all gets carbon tamped together, epoxied, and painted, and becomes one continuous piece. All right, as we move backwards, we move into our forward lazarette. This area contains our holding tank, freshwater pumps. We use sea-land discharge pumps. These are extremely expensive discharge pumps, but they last for decades instead of a year. You put the best quality components on the boat, and you have a boat that requires little maintenance, little service work as possible. Keep our console nice, clean, simple. We have a Palm Beach Towers T-top on this particular vessel. Floodlights rear and aft. We're running a bubble on the top of this to accommodate teaser reels. We have our rough outriggers. This particular boat has just standard seating in the front. There is the option to do a bunny pad with a berth underneath, which will offer quite a bit more storage inside the console. Let's take a look inside the console. Right. Okay, so inside the console, keep it very clean, simple. We have a nice teak vanity, granite top, teak floors. These are all teak, real wood teak products. Again, we finish and fair every square inch of this vessel. We are finished everywhere you can see in this vessel. Inside our vanity, a little bit of storage. Ultimately, what we're looking is we're bringing high-end custom sport fish quality and yacht quality to a center console. Ultimately, to all the larger products that we will build. It's about having the highest quality product available. One thing that Tribute is known for is their engineering, their mechanical systems, expertly done. Clean, efficient wiring. Clean mechanical areas. Again, you'll see everything is painted. Everything could be kept very clean. We ventilate our console bilge areas. We have ducting, PVC ducting, that circulates air to keep these areas fresh and mold-free. The boat is so well sealed, it's so well constructed that air doesn't flow through it the way it normally would in a production boat. So we create channels so we can move air to keep the boats clean and fresh, especially down here in South Florida in the summer. Moving to the helm. This is all about preference. You can lay out your helm however you like. You know, we just have a nice clean teak pod here, Palm Beach style. You can do your electronics how you see fit. We can offer a C-zone system if that's your pleasure. Really what you see here is this is how we chose to do this boat, and you could choose to do yours however you'd like. Nice glove box, drain at the bottom, keep our mic in there. Again, everything's painted, finished, faired. Take a chamois to every square inch of the boat. This particular boat, you have a removable panel. We have access to your teaser reels. Again, we have a beautiful job done by Palm Beach Towers on this top. All LED lighting throughout the entire vessel. Blue, white, red. You know, again, that's up to the particular owner what kind of lights they want, where they want them. We can accommodate whatever need you have. This particular boat here at the console, we have forward seating and we have aft seating. Got additional rod holders on the backrest. Again, this is all about preference. We have storage under the console. Under this, we have our Glendinning hose reels for two more, one salt, one fresh hose water reel. We have hanging for our our lines. Again, fully faired, painted, finished, all areas. Ice box behind the aft seat. This could be refrigerated, this could be insulated, doesn't have to be any of those. Again, it's about preference. Got also live insulated boxes aft. One port, one starboard. Again, all gasketed, insulated, guttered, drip edged. They stay clean, they stay dry when you're out on the boat all day. Got fish guts, blood everywhere. It does not get in these compartments. They're very, very, very well sealed. Right. Moving into our main bilge area. We use a Scott Alvarez slotted live well box. We use stainless steel high water speed water pickups. We strain our water before it gets to the flooded box. We do a redundant two units, so if you pick up weeds, you can shut one down and service it while still feeding your box. We take pride in the cleanliness, the yacht quality feel of our bilge areas. You'll feel like you're in the bilge of a custom sport fish boat. One of the really important things as a boat owner, which you get tired of, is water in your bilge. Nobody likes water in their bilge. There's very simple solutions for water in your bilge. You come in and you take a look towards the aft part of the bilge here, you'll see our bilge pump. Our bilge pump sits in a small recess. Any water that enters the bilge area ultimately will drain to the lowest point, which is a small recess, and it will be pumped overboard. Every last drop of water that enters the boat will be pumped overboard. And as a result, you have an extremely clean bilge, mold-free bilge. And as a boat owner, that's what we like to see. All right, we've got drain boxes in the corners. All our internal draining gets tied into these drain boxes located below our stainless grates. They drain overboard, so we have a single penetration towards the back of the boat. You don't see any through holes above the water line. We have, on this particular boat, we did a live well, about 45, 50 gallon live well. We can make these larger, we can make these smaller, again, to accommodate your needs, whether it's a single live well or a triple live well or a kill box, whatever you're looking for. As far as rigging is concerned, again, we like to keep it as minimal as possible, keep it as clean as possible. You'll see only 5 penetrations. You've got your steering lines and your 3 main engine feeds. Everything is sealed. You get a lot of water back there when you're backing up, so make sure that no drop of water gets down in our bilge area. Our goal is to keep everything clean, simple, so that it stays that way for a long, long time.
And John, go over the specs real quick. Length,
Sure.
beam
All right,
on
so
this, weight.
This vessel is 37 feet 6 inches long overall. She's 10 foot 2 inches at her widest point of the chine. She's approximately 10,500 pounds dry as she sits. She carries 365 gallons of fuel. She carries about 40 gallons of water. This boat can be outfitted with a Seakeeper gyro, a DC Seakeeper gyro. It can be outfitted with bunny pad. We do also have some other configurations for closed cuddy day boat configuration. She tops out around 80 miles an hour with a mid load. She cruises at 60 miles an hour, around 0.9 to 1.1 miles per gallon, again depending on load and sea condition. And she carries her speed very well in a rough ocean, which was really the biggest thing about the ride in the bottom that Steve and I worked on, was just to have a vessel that we could maintain more speed than the other vessels that are on the market in rougher conditions and be comfortable. If you're interested in the Tribute 37, you can find us at tributeboats.com. You can call Joe Doherty at McGregor Yachts, or you can contact Rich Sheffer directly at Tribute Boats. If you want to schedule a sea trial, call Joe Doherty. We'd be our pleasure to get you out on the boat, show you what we can do. Pick a nice rough day, grab your raincoat, and let's go have some fun.